Hey, so hopefully you've been able to get something working. If not, you can follow along and maybe we can get it working together. Okay, so first of all, I need to ask the user to enter the number, and that's going to be number in. And we're going to say input, and I'm going to ask them to enter a number to convert to Nepali. Okay, so I'm going to ask them to enter a number. Notice that this is a string at this point in time. So I'm not changing it into a number, even though I'm asking for a number. I want to leave it as a string because that way I can look through each of the digits one by one, and I can't do that with a integer. Okay, so now I need to check, have they actually entered a numbers? And that's going to be called validation for a type check. Now, on digits, let's see. Okay, now we could try and make our own check digit, no, not check digit, it is a digit, check is digit method up here or function, and maybe I'll come back later and add that in. But for now, let's just use the built-in Python one. There is something similar in pseudocode, so it should hopefully be okay. Anyway, so we want to say while. Well, first of all, let's show you how it works. So we've got number in. Now, if I were to print the number in, and then at the end put dot is digit, bracket, bracket, brackets. Now, so basically, if I enter something here, let's try again. So if I enter something in here like 1, 2, 3, it's going to say true because these are all digits. However, if I were to enter A, B, C, it's going to say false because they're not. If I were to enter a combination of numbers and digits, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, it's going to say false because some of them are letters. Yeah, so basically anything that's not a number that's entered should be rejected. So I want to change this to then be while. Now we don't want to do number is digit, so we don't want to repeat while it is a digit. We want to repeat while it's not a digit. So while it's not a digit, we're going to print an error message saying, sorry, not a digit. And then we're going to do our exact same input again to get the new number in. Now after the while loop, I'm going to remove it later, but I just want to say accepted here just to show that the program is working as planned, or show that the validation part is working as planned. Okay, so let's throw that in there. Enter number 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 2, 1, 3. It's accepted because it's all digits. If I run it again, A, B, C. Sorry, not a digit. If I enter 1, 2, 3, it's accepted. Okay. Now, what if I did A, B, B, 1, 2, 3? Sorry, what if I do 1, 2, 3, A, B, C? Sorry, not a digit. Okay, so you can see here that basically I have to enter something that contains digits for it to be accepted, and we move on to the next part. Okay, and this is the input and validation section of our Nepali numbers program. Okay, again, I'm just going to build these up in blocks and different videos because it's a little bit easier that way in case I make a mistake or whatever. All right, see you soon.